I don't have any makeup on today, so don't come for me. Okay, so today we are going to look at my iOS 14 screen and what I did to my theme. It's kind of a vintage Disney theme. So if you can't tell, that's kind of what I like. So this is another shirt that I just made yesterday. I like to get thrifted shirts and then make my own prints on top of it. So if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing, let me know in the comments down here. Here's my first page. This is my main page right here. At the top I have a little widget, and I use Widgetsmith for this. So I have a widget that has the day, date, and time, and it actually changes. So you can do timed widgets. So like the default is that one, but from 4 to noon it is Cinderella in bed because we're tired. And then housework. I don't know, I like to make things kind of funny too. And then from 6 to 4 we have going to the ball. So I have that one. And then all of my icons I actually made myself using Canva. They actually have like most of the icons, so that's nice. And then my second widget is this little tiny one down here, which is also a timed one, but it doesn't have anything. It's just cute pictures that go along with it. This screen is Sleeping Beauty themed. At the top I have my clock widget. That one doesn't change. It's not a timed one. This middle one here is timed, and that's just for fun because it's one of my favorite scenes. So it has make it pink and then make it blue, and it just goes back and forth. It actually goes between 3, so it has make it pink and make it blue, and then the like collision of both of them. So that one just goes between those 3. And then the bottom one also is not timed. It's just, again, for like aesthetic purposes. My last screen is Aristocats themed because this is also one of my favorite Disney movies. We have this one at the top that says ladies don't start fights, but they can finish them. Obviously, you can't have anything Aristocats themed without that quote. And then we just have the little cats in the middle. The screen I don't really use a whole lot, mostly to pay bills and get Starbucks. So, you know, actually I probably do use it more than I think. So that is my iOS update. If you guys have any cool updates that you did to your phone, I haven't really seen anything like mine, to be honest. I tried to look for like icons and stuff and I couldn't find any. So that's why I made my own. If you want a video on how I did that, I can also do that. Yes, I know that this one doesn't match, but that's because I love my bikini team too much and I just couldn't change it. So that is my iOS screen.
Make it blue.
Editing Brooke here. I just want to know, what do you think? Is Aurora's dress really pink or blue? I think I am team pink, but I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments.